we had lunch, like chicken nuggets and fruit, and I ate my fruit. So I can't tell you guys that I wasn't taking a nap. And now that school's over, my weekend is starting. This weekend, I'm staying with my titi, but I have to pack my own bag first. I have this amazing new bag from the Coco Twins. You guys are going to look at me pack my bag, and I don't know what to wear. Follow me, guys, so we can go pack. My gosh. Maybe I should pack my clothes. Check out my new bag. I have a backpack. This is for all my makeup. I'll probably use this one for school. And this one I'll pack in the back. First things first, I need a pair of jeans. I think I'm going to get 2 pair of jeans. This one. Uh-oh, this one's stuck. Which one do you guys like? The dark one or the light one? This one? Okay. I think I'm going to go with both. I'm going to pack my jeans in the bag. Uh-oh. Underclothes, underwear, and sleeping clothes. So let's get it. Wait, Mom just put so much stuff in my drawer. I got my underwear and my sleeping bag and my sleeping nightclothes. Always pack extra underwear. I got socks. Uh-oh. And 3 packs of underwear. I think my bag is getting super full. Now it's time to look for my favorite dress. This one. I really like this one. Can I take it with me, guys? Please? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pack this in my bag. You know what I really love about these bags? The afro puffs and the crown and then 2 ponytails. Anyways, let's find something else to put in this bag. Oh, wow. This one is super cute. I'm going to hang it up with this hanger. I don't need a hanger. I'm going to pack this one in my bag too. Who needs to fold clothes? I'm just going to put my dress on anyway. Anyways, guys, let's find more shirts. Okay, guys, what color should I go with? This one! I'm loving my rainbow shirt, but I don't need a hanger. What's going on? This is fun packing up my bag so I can go. It's really full. Alright, I think I have everything. But I need shoes. Let's pick some tennis shoes. White shoes. This one is new. Let's gonna find another one. Oh, this one. Uh-oh. Oh, I found it. Let's pack it in my bag. Guys, I just got these from my mom and they're my favorite. I never had these white ones before. Hopefully I don't get them dirty because Mom's going to be super angry like this. Can't forget my slippers and my black shoes. I think it's going to be full. Uh-oh, it's starting to be full. Okay, guys, time to go pack my makeup. These are the things I'm going to be putting in my bag. I have my toothpaste and my toothbrush. And I also have this, but you can see the makeup. Guys, don't forget this goes on your skin. And this goes on your lips. This goes on your lips. This goes on your nose. And I packed it up. In case you guys didn't see, this says Scholar. It also says I matter. And lastly, it says my black is beautiful. Don't forget, zip it up. Guys, don't forget, if you need help, then ask your parents. Just gotta put this in my bag and I'm all ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.